Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Study of Rectified Waveforms using Arduino Uno, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see this project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project which you will get to learn more about while you are working on it. Let's start. Here we show different types of rectifier outputs with and without a filter. This project can help institutes have a study on full wave and half wave rectifier using an Arduino Uno board. The components we get to learn here are Arduino Uno, center tap transformer, dual channel relay module. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL given below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel to receive alerts when we publish more of these DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.